በዓለማችን ላይ እጅግ አስደንጋጭና አስፈሪ የተባለ ቫይረስ መከሰቱን በዚህ ሰዓት እየሰማን እንገኛለን። ይሄኛው ቫይረስ የተከሰተው ደግሞ በህንድ ሲሆን ኒፓ ቫይረስ ይባላል። ይህ ቫይረስ ታዲያ የተያዙ ሰዎችን እስከ 100 ሰዎች እስከ 75 የሚደርሱ ሰዎችን ህይወት እንደሚቀጥፍ እየተገለጸ ሲሆን በእነዚህ አገራት ላይ በተደጋጋሚ ሲከሰት ነበረ። አሁን ላይ ግን በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ በደቡባዊ ህንድ መከሰቱን መረጃዎች እየወጡ ይገኛሉ። ቫይረስ ታዲያ እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት የተያዙ ሰዎችን ከ40% እስከ 75% ይገላል የተባለ ሲሆን አንዳንድ ሪፖርቶች ደግሞ 90% የሚሆኑ በዚህ ቫይረስ የተያዙ ሰዎች እንደሚሞቱ ነው የተገለጸው። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ቫይረሱ የሚተላለፈው ከእንስሳት ወደ ሰው እንዲሁም ደግሞ ከተበከሉ ምግቦችና ከዚህ ባለፈም ደግሞ ከሰው ወደ ሰው ሊተላለፍ እንደሚችል መረጃዎች ወጥተዋል።
India is responding to a fresh Nipah virus outbreak in West Bengal, where 5 confirmed cases have triggered extensive contact tracing and home quarantine. Nipah is among the most lethal zoonotic viruses classified by the World Health Organization as a priority pathogen due to its epidemic potential. With a case fatality rate of 40 to 75%, Nipah is far deadlier than most viral infections. The absence of a vaccine or specific antiviral treatment means early detection, isolation, and strict infection control measures remain the only effective defenses. The virus is naturally hosted by fruit bats, flying foxes, and spills over to human through contaminated fruits, infected animals, or human-to-human transmission via bodily fluids. Recurrent outbreaks in India, especially since 2018 in Kerala, reflect rising risk from deforestation, urbanization, and increased human-wildlife contact. This outbreak underlines the urgency of a One Health approach integrating environmental conservation, animal surveillance, and public health preparedness. This topic is highly relevant for GS Paper 3 Public Health and Biosecurity. Now you tell me in which state are you watching this video from in the comment section below.